Hey, in this video, I will show you how to change your settings in Deep.io to adjust the settings, and this will help you to do things such as decrease lag or increase lag. I don't know why you want to do that, but maybe you would. Anyway, here is how to do it. So you press S on your keyboard, or you can press this settings thing up in the top right, the little cog wheel, settings. This will open up the settings. If you press S on the keyboard, the settings will only show very quickly. But if you press the button up here, you'll be able to see all the settings. So you got the graphics setting, and you can change your resolution to increase and reduce lag. If you take it to the lowest resolution, this will make the quality of the game a little bit terrible, as you can see, versus the highest resolution. It will be very high resolution quality, but it will take a little bit longer for me to process the map and slow my gameplay down a little bit potentially. So I think I'll settle for somewhere in between. So I'll just toggle this thing to probably about 0.67, and I'll turn WebGL off, disable if you're having low FPS. So say I'm having low FPS, I'll disable that. And I'll disable this anti-aliasing if I'm also having low FPS, which means frames per second, which means lag essentially. So turn them off if you don't want any lag. And if I want to mute the chat, I can do that in my settings. And I can also change my language to Bork, which is a bit weird. I'll change it to Chinese anyway. I think that's a bit more popular. Okay, so if I send a message, it won't be in Chinese, but point is, all you can see, this writing in the top left is in Chinese now. If I speak Chinese, and up here, you can see it's all written in Chinese. And if I go to the settings of the game, it's in Chinese, the title's in Chinese, everything's in Chinese. And the store's in Chinese, inventory's in Chinese. So that's pretty much about it with the settings. That's all you can really do. You can also open the map, which is kind of cool. And that's about it. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next one.